Hi students, this is today's class. Already we have completed exercise 7.3 up to 5th sum. This is the continuity from 6th. Listen, if 11a square plus 13b square into this term is equal to these two terms, prove that a is to b proportion c is to d. What we are going to prove here, a by b equal to c by d are proportion. How we prove this? Listen, first write the question 11a square plus 13b square into. Now listen, this is a square b square, this is c square b square. Here, first for applying component and dividend, numerator denominator we need a same variable. So do the cross product. Divided by, take this term here. 11a square minus 13b square are equal to, already right hand side we have 11c square plus 13b square. Bring this term 11c square minus 13b square. After this apply component of and dividend of property. What is component of dividend of property? A plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is a, this is b, this is c, this is d. So we need to add 11a square plus 13b square. It's addition only. So plus 11a square minus 13b square divided by next term 11a square plus 13b square. Next subtraction. We need to do subtraction. Minus 11a square minus into minus plus 13b square equal to, in the same question, c plus d by c minus 2. 11c square plus 13b square plus 11c square minus 13b square divided by 11c square plus 13b square minus 11c square plus 13b square. Next listen, plus 13b square minus 13b square cancel. Same 11a square minus 11a square cancel. What's the remaining? 22a square divided by 13 plus 13, 26b square equal to, here plus 13d square minus 13d square cancel. 11c square minus 11c square cancel. So 22c square by 26d square. So 22, 26 cancel. So what is the remaining term? A square by b square equal to c square by b square. Next, what we are going to prove? We need to prove this is the proportion. So for proportion we need to take a square. So taking square root on both sides. If you take square root on both sides, a by b equal to c by d. So a is to b is proportion, c is to d, hence proved. Next question. If x equal to 2ab by a plus b, find the value of. Listen, here we need to find the value of this. If in this x term, using this x term, we need to find this value. How we find this? Listen. First, x equal to 2ab by a plus b. First, we need to find the value of x plus a by x minus a. How we find this? Listen. Here, numerator we have a norma. So take this a to left hand side. So automatically it's come for division. So x by a equal to 2b by a plus b. Okay. Next, using component and dividend property for this. So x plus a by x minus a equal to 2b plus a plus b divided by 2b minus a plus b. So minus a minus b. So what is the term for this? 2a plus b, 3b plus a divided by here 2b minus b, b minus a. Take this is equation number 1. Next term we need x plus b by x minus b. So in the same formation, using the x term, take b along to left hand side. So x by b equal to 2a by a plus b. Again already written now, again we need to use the component of, using component on the dividend of property again. So x plus b by x minus b equal to 2a plus a plus b divided by 2a minus b. So 2a plus a, 3a plus b divided by here 2a minus b. Take this is equation number 2. Now we need to find the value of this term. So how we get the answer? Add 1 and 2. What is the first one? X plus a by x minus a plus x plus b by x minus b. What is x plus a value? 3b plus a by b minus a plus next term 3a plus b by a minus b. It's a addition. So for adding this denominator we need same. Here we have a minus b, here we have b minus a. So any one of them can multiple by minus. So if you multiply by minus, minus 3b minus a by a minus b plus 3a plus b by a minus b. So now a minus b denominator is common. So minus 3b minus a plus 3a plus b divided by a minus b. What is the next term? It is minus 3b plus b minus 2b minus 3a minus a 2a divided by a minus b equal to what is the next term? Take 2 as common. If you take 2 as common, remaining minus b minus a divided by a minus b 3a
Continue.
3a minus a plus 2a. So plus a, these two term cancel. 2 is the answer for the sum. So this is the value of this sum. Okay, next sum x equal to 4 root 6 by root 2 plus root 3. It's very important model in your board exam. This also same like as the previous sum. Let's how we do this. First we need to find the value of x plus 2 root 2 divided by x minus 2 root 2. So what is given? X equal to 4 root 6 by root 2 plus root 3 Okay ma, how we split the term? Can we split root 6 root 2 into root 3 divided by root 2 plus root 3? Okay, next step, listen. Here what we need the term 2 root 2 Here we have 4 root 2 into root 3. So in this you can take only 2 root 2 in left hand side. So what is the remaining term? Here already we took 2, so we have remaining 2 root 3 divided by root 2 plus root 3. I hope you all understand. You can see this term alone 2 times. Next, using componendo and dividendo property. So x plus, if you in this term, if you take 2 root 3 alone, we can take this term. So 2 root 2 divided by x minus 2 root 2 equal to here 2 root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 3 minus term so minus root 2 minus root 3. So 2 root 3 plus root 3 3 root 3 plus root 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus root 2. Take this is equation number 1. Next we need 2 root 3. So in this term you can take only 2 root 3 in left hand side. So remaining we have 2 root 2. So x by 2 root 3 remaining we have 2 root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 3. Next already we written now using componendo and dividendo property here. X plus 2 root 3 divided by x minus 2 root 3 equal to 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 2 minus root 3 So equal to 2 root 2 plus root 2, 3 root 2 plus root 3 divided by here 2 root 3 minus root 3 root 3 minus root 2. Take this is equation number 2. Sorry, I done mistake here. You need to take a 2, so remaining term 3. You need to take a 2, so remaining term is 3. Okay, now root 3 so remaining here root 2 minus root 3. This is equation number 2. Now we need to add this 1 and 2. So x plus 2 root 2 divided by x minus 2 root 2 plus x plus 2 root 3 divided by x minus 2 root 3 is equal to, what is the first answer? 3 root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 plus next 3 root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 3 of. Next add this. Listen, 3 root 3 plus root 3. Listen, for adding this, we need denominator is same. The denominator we have root 2 minus root 3. Here we have root 2 minus root 3. So 3 root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Here both the numerator and denominator can multiply by minus. So if you multiply by minus 3 root 2 minus root 3, the denominator is same, root 3 minus root 2 if you take LCM. Next 3 root 3 minus root 3, 2 root 3. Here minus root 2 minus 3 root 2, 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Next take 2 as common. Remaining term root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. So these two term cancel are equal to 2. So the value is 2. Okay ma, I hope you all understand this section. It's a very important model. Most probably these kind of models, this video kind of models compulsory have a one question. Okay, I will send you the photocopy, copy in your class work and do the homework without fail. Thank you students.